Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we teach guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create crypto.com account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. So first of all, open your crypto.com application. Once you open the application, you will see this interface. On this page, you will see this button, create new account. Tap on it. Then on this section, you'll have to enter your email address. So enter it. Once you do that, tap on this button. Now you'll have to solve a puzzle. Once you solve the puzzle, you'll have to verify your account. So go ahead and check your Gmail. The email should look similar to this. Once you receive this kind of email, tap on this login button. Then you'll have to select your country code, and once you select your country code, you'll have to enter your mobile number. Once you do that, tap on this continue button. Then they will send you a verification code in your mobile number. Once you receive the code, enter the code on this box, and once you enter the code, they will try to verify your identity. And once you have completed that process, you'll be given to create a login credentials, and once you have created your login credentials, your account will be created. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.